Vakey, little babies. Welcome to Dr. Moo's lair. Vakey, little babies. Welcome to Dr. Moo's lair. Make yourselves comfortable because you'll be here an awfully long time. Why, here comes the doctor now.
You could have told me in the car that there was a man in my back seat.
I thought he was your navigator!
I do my own navigating. I'm Jackhammer.
Really? Does that mean you do your own construction too? What can't you do?
I can't tolerate your relentless nonsense. You see what you got us into?
Well, I just can't seem to get rid of you spies.
Why aren't you doing the laundry? Can't seem to get rid of that Tourette syndrome either.
Apparently not. So you're 003 and a half. I've heard of you. Aren't you the one who returned Mr. Lincoln's tooth when it went missing from Mount Rushmore?
Missing nose, you buffoon.
Oh, so angry. You should calm down and learn some manners if you're ever going to get out of here. And look, looks like we've got two for the price of one, eh, Mr. Oink?
Look, she's not a part of this. Just leave her out of it.
Oh, calm yourself now, Jack. Your little girlfriend's safe enough. But as long as you're here, I might as well ask you a few questions.
Don't waste your time, Moo. I won't tell you a thing.
Oh, really? What a pity. I was hoping it wouldn't have to come to this, Jack. What is your name?
Do your worst.
What is your quest?
You'll never get any favors from me, Moo.
What is your favorite color?
Never. I'm not saying anything.
What is the capital of Indonesia?
You'll never get away with this, Moo. Headquarters will track you down, and...
Headquarters? You think I'm afraid of headquarters? With their top spy captured, they'll never find me. And the cow has been fed her last batch of burritos. Once that remote hidden at 9th Street goes off, it's over for Kyle's the spring retreat.
Phone rings.
Hello? Yes. Car insurance? Well, no, I guess I don't have full coverage.
Hey, Mr. Oink.
Yeah?
You know that Dr. Moo really doesn't give you enough credit for all you do around here. I mean, really, where would he be without you? You're his man of action. You do all his dirty work. He's nothing without you. And I'll bet that he doesn't even give you a dental plan. Hey, has he told you he's going to give you a promotion?
Yes, sir. He did. He said as long as he didn't get thrown in the insane asylum again, I'd get promoted.
Never going to happen, my dear man. He's just using you. But your good works have not gone unnoticed. In fact, I would like to give you a small reward.
A reward, you say?
Think of it as my personal kudos for being the only henchman to ever catch me. There is a Twinkie in my back pocket.
A Twinkie?
All you have to do is kneel down and get it, and it's all yours.
Oh boy, a Twinkie. Oh boy, a Twinkie. A Twinkie.
Hurry! Okay, one more time.
Annabelle, quickly, cut my hand free with your free hand.
Say pretty please, sugar on top.
Pretty please with sugar on top. Now come on.
Say I love you, Annabelle.
Annabelle!
All right.
Yeah. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. All right. Now let me see the knife.
Wait, aren't you forgetting something?
Yes, of course.
Hey, but what about me?
I'll have headquarters come back for you. If I feel like it.
are you doing?
Just grabbing a sled.
Hey, take that blue one. That's probably the fastest one we got.
Yeah, it's Twin Chief. Thank you. Good choice.
Have a good day.
Him!
Well, it looks like somebody finally hung up on the telemarketer.
Actually, the battery died, but I still managed to beat you here. You didn't think it was going to be that easy, did ya?
What are you going to do now? You can't blow up the cow when I have the remote.
That was just a decoy remote, you fool. Here's the real remote. Say goodbye to Chi Alpha.
You can't get away with it, Moo.
You're the only one who could ever track me down.
Then let's finish this once and for all.
Very well.
Say your prayers, Dr. Moo.
Precious Chi Alpha! I'm just about enough of you.
Alfred, how did you know where to find us?
It was all in your watch, my dear boy, all in your watch.
Of course. My watch was activated the whole time we were in the lair. That's brilliant, Alfred. Just brilliant.
Indeed. Brilliant enough to put you away for quite a long time. You've been a naughty, naughty boy.
I knew I shouldn't have said where the stupid remote was hidden.
We all make mistakes. We all make mistakes. But fortunately for you, we're going to give you a very, very important choice you must make. You can either go back to the insane asylum, or go to Chi Alpha Spring Retreat.
Anything's better than the asylum. I'll go to your stupid retreat.
Excellent! Well, let's get back to intelligence and get this over with. Good job, 003.5. Job well done.
Just doing my duty, Alfred.
Indeed. Maybe you should take the weekend off. Why, I think you might enjoy Spring Retreat.
Thank you, sir. Perhaps I'll do just that.
Good day.
Good day, Alfred.
Hi, Jeff.
Annabelle, you... What is it, Annabelle?
I baked you some cake.
Look, would you please just... Cake, you say? Annabelle, this is the most delicious chocolate cake I've ever tasted. Only the most skilled and gifted hands could craft such a masterpiece. Perhaps I misjudged you, Annabelle. What do you say we go and give this poor cow some relief? Would you like to do the honors?
I'd love to.
Would you like to go get some tacos?
Sure.
So, what do you suppose ever became of Dr. Moo's lair? Oh,